clocked this presentation at 6 minutes, so hopefully I don't get pulled off stage by a giant coat hanger or something. So, my name is Aaron Standard, and I'm the founder and CEO of MarkedUp. We're a Bucker Lab company from the winter 2012 class, and we are a real-time in-app marketing automation platform. So the number one problem facing app developers on every platform, whether you're building for the web, mobile, or desktop, is converting free users into paying customers. This is how you build a business on any app platform. So companies spend on average about 30% of their budget on marketing. This is stuff like paid search, PR, email marketing, and so forth. And this is just to drive installs. And then each of these customers uses some variation of a free-to-play model or try before you buy. So that could be a 30-day free trial, that could be a free app that's monetized by in-app purchases, or that could be some subscription-based web app. There's a lot of variations, but it's fundamentally the same business model. And the way all of these apps go and actually build up their business is through in-app marketing. They actually try to get the user to convert from a free user to a paying customer through features that are built into the app and messaging and services around it. So let's take a look at the state of in-app marketing today. On Windows, your options for in-app marketing are tumbleweeds. There are none. I've had to build them in-house before, and I worked for Microsoft. I'm speaking with absolute authority on this subject. But don't worry, iOS is all appley and good. They have solved all these problems, right? Well, we actually interviewed our customers and analyzed what they did. So if you want to go and actually send marketing messages to people who are thinking about buying your product, here's how you do it in iOS. You use Mixpanel to produce a list. You go ahead and use a Mixpanel webhook to push that list into a custom web service you built yourself. So you can schedule a drip campaign of push messages via Urban Airship. And then you reconcile the analytics data from Urban Airship with Mixpanel again. And then you use Excel to figure out how well your in-app marketing is working. Oh, kind of sucks. Well, don't worry, I'm sure the web is way better. They've had this technology for like 15 years. It totally doesn't suck. So on the web, you use Kissmetrics to get a list of users who bailed out of your web application. You pray to your deity of your choice that you got an email address before they left. You be super rich so you can afford the Kissmetrics and Marketo integration. Meticulously tag every Marketo email with Kissmetrics tags, and then use Excel. Damn it. It's like exactly the same. Versus what MarkedUp customers do, which is just enjoy their lives and get on with their business. So we are real-time in-app marketing automation technology. We instrument apps and actually observe in-app behavior, such as clicking out of a buy screen. And we're able to send a targeted message within seconds of it happening. Your finger will still be on the back button on your browser by the time you've received a message from us if you abandon a full shopping cart. When we have the ability to do this on every platform potentially. So our customers can capitalize on opportunities that no one else can. They can define events that are critical to completing or rescuing an abandoned sale, and we can act on those events as they happen and send targeted offers and messages to customers in order to help get them to convert, which increases our customers' revenue. So our technology essentially instruments itself inside our customers' applications, regardless of platform. So we're able to measure things that are really basic, like installs and usage. But we allow our customers to use that to craft targeted campaigns that we deliver over time. Right now, we're primarily focused on push, but we have the ability to support email, SMS, and webhooks later too. And our customers have seen 100% performance improvement over email marketing so far. That's using a basic version of our system whose targeting isn't very sophisticated. This is an example of our actual marketing automation on Windows desktop at work. And we have pretty strong progress so far. We've had an analytics service in market for over a year, and it has nearly 700 apps using it at the moment, including some big dogs like Cut the Rope and Microsoft, wherever the Bing person is. So we serve huge markets. Today, we're primarily focused on the Microsoft ecosystem, which is a $100 billion market, and they have absolutely nothing like this. So we're working with some pretty big consumer titles in that space right now. But within a couple of years, we're going to have the ability to serve every single consumer web app, iOS, Android, and Windows. And looking at customers who are doing well over $1 trillion a year, combined amongst all those markets. So our business model is pretty similar to what traditional email marketing models have looked like. We charge per message. So a customer buys a quota of messages from us each month. We deliver them to their own users, and their users open them and tend to buy more. So our customer makes more money, so we actually made money for them. And then they get more users and buy more messages from us. We have a virtuous cycle where the amount of revenue we get per customer grows over time. So for a smallish customer who does about 5,000 installs of their product a day, we reach peak revenue roughly around 5 months, assuming that a lot of factors about their business stay constant. So it's about $1,600 a month in revenue for a single customer for MarkedUp. But when we have customers who are doing 500,000 installs per day, and we do have some in our pipeline, our revenue peaks out around $90,000 a month for them. So our business model really scales with the size of customer we serve. And our business model is essentially to work with, our go-to-market plan is to work with large customers and then use our success stories with them to drive distribution through channels like download.com and Open Candy. And then use that success to scale out into other platforms. And we have a small team that's very engineering focused. We've worked for a year. We build a system that handles millions of connections every day. And we're probably one of the most tight-knit but powerful technology teams in LA. Thank you very much. I'll take your question now.